You think that's the weirdest laugh? I've heard weirder than that. And it was in Texas. I was doing a show a while back, and this lady was in the front row, and she's lost it. Midway through the show, she locked up. She's laughing so hard that she started shaking. She's laying against her chair like this and looking up at me. And every 10 seconds, she made this noise. And I've never heard it out of a creature of the earth. Every 10 seconds, she made this noise. The only thing it sounded like that I can think of, it sounded like a sea lion in need of medical attention. That's what it sounded like. Every 10 seconds, she... Every 10 seconds. I get halfway through a joke. Somebody throw her a beach ball. Give her something to do. I love how men and women laugh differently. I love that. Men and women laugh different, don't we? Like women, I don't know. Women, you just laugh differently. I've already heard some laughs tonight. I'm not going to point anybody out. That is too stinking obvious. But women do this. Women always sigh at the end of a laugh. Men don't do that. When a woman's done laughing, they sigh. I guess to let us know you're done. They're like, that is true. I do that. I do that. I do it. You do it. And I've seen you run. I know that I've seen it. I believe I know. You will never hear a man do that. Like, love you in Texas. People in Texas laugh. You always woo at the end of a laugh. You woo. Woo! What in the world does that mean? Are you congratulating yourself on a good laugh, Bubba? What's happening there? Mama would be proud of me. Woo! I did a good job. Women always make the barnyard noises when you laugh. You ever notice that? It's always a woman, because you hold in the air too long. By the time you let it out, you have no idea what's going to come out. Or go back in. We've all heard a woman do the go back in, haven't we?
I can't stop it, Sarah. I know it's me, Sarah. There's a pig in me or something. Please pray for me. There's a swine in my spirit. I feel it. I can't control the airflow. I can't. I just farted. Oh my gosh.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. You are never going to hear that song the same way again, are you?